Good morning, all of you. All of you. So this is Ven Gopal, your new English teacher. So welcome to 10th class online classes. Subject is English. The first lesson is altitude. Is attitude. Attitude is altitude. So let us discuss this lesson. So this lesson is given under the theme personality development. Personality development. So what is personality here? Generally, we feel that if someone walks in a stylish manner, he has some good personality. And someone speaks some good English, he has good personality. And someone dresses well, and we say he has good personality. Okay, all right. This is also personality. But something more is there in personality. What is that? Okay, so that is the way of our thinking. Okay, so if we can think in the right way or right path, that determines our personality. Okay, so actually that is our real personality. Okay, for example, we might have seen so many people suffered in their lives, but elevated in their lives and emerged as the best ones in their lives. Okay, yes. How it is possible? Because of the personality. Yes, with the great personality, they might have overcome all these problems and elevated as the best ones in their lives. So that is the importance of personality. So personality is having some positive way of thinking. Okay, so what is positive way of thinking? So here there are so many sayings. For example, no poison can kill a positive thinker. You know that. And no medicine can cure a negative thinker. By this we can understand the importance of positive thinking and the importance of not having negative thinking. Okay, yes. So here and some others are also there. For example, an optimist, he finds opportunities in difficulties. A pessimist finds difficulties even in opportunities. Okay, so these are all sayings, different sayings about our personality, having some good personality. So what we can learn from all this, so that everyone should have some good personality. Okay, we should have some good personality. So what is the result of having good personality? That means we can reach some great heights. You know that everybody sets some goals in their lives, and in order to achieve that goals, one should have strong discipline, determination, dedication, devotion. All these are important. Yes, if they have some good personality, definitely they can achieve that desired goals. Okay, yes. So here, that is the importance of personality. So here, that personality determines your attitude. Okay, so attitude is altitude. So what is, we have come to understand what is attitude and what is altitude. If we have this kind of personality, we can reach some great heights. Okay, so that is altitude. Altitude means some heights. Okay, yes. So everybody should have some should reach their goals, and that is the importance of having personality. Okay, yes. Now in this lesson we are given about a great personality. That's is none other than Nick Vujicic. Nick Vujicic. Have you ever heard about this person? He is worldwide popular today. Yes. So let us try to know about some of the things about this person, Nick Vujicic. Yes. So first of all here, imagine if you don't have hands to stretch in the morning, or to put your hands together around your loved ones. Yes. So or scratch that itch on the back side. If you don't have these hands, you feel suffer. You feel suffer. So you may face so many problems. And for example, if you don't have legs, you may face so many. You can't walk, you can't run, and you may not kick pebbles, stones on down on the road. There will be so many problems you may face. Okay, but if both are absent, if hands, arms and legs, if both are absent, so this is what Nick Vujicic has faced in his entire life. Okay, he is a torso. What is a torso? Torso means having no legs and arms. Okay, only this part of the body, having no legs and no hands. Okay, only with living with the remaining part of the body, without having arms and legs. So that is called a torso. So he is a torso. He actually, at the time of this lesson's writing, so he was 26 years old. So this 26-year-old man, so he is a torso. He doesn't have arms and he doesn't have legs. But he does not let the details stop from moving forward. So what are the details? Details means here having no legs and arms. He does not allow these details, having no legs and arms, to prevent from going forward. Okay, so that is the greatness of this person. And let us see some of the things that happened in his life. Okay, yes. So this Nick, he can play football. He knows many things. So even though he does not have arms and legs, he can play football. He can play golf. He can swim. He can surf. All these things he can do. Of course. Okay. Yes, he learned all these things. Okay. Yes. So what sports aren't Nick's only thing. He can play golf also. How he can play golf here and with a club tucked under his chin. What is club? Club means a stick. Okay. Yes. So you can put a stick under his chin, and with the help of the chin, moving chin this side and that side, so he can he can touch the ball. I can move it, and he can send it to goal post. Okay, so that is the ability he has. Okay, so he can play golf also with all ease. Yes. So here Nick's parents, they have decided not to send to special school. Actually, it was a hard decision for him. So special, actually, he doesn't, that he is a disabled man. So disabled man will be joined in special schools only, because they're meant for those disabled people. But instead of sending to special school, the parents decided to send him to a mainstream school. Okay, actually that decision was very hard for him, but that was the later it is proved that that was the best decision they could have made for him. Okay, yes. So when Nick was born, his father just he left the hospital, and he came out from the hospital to vomit. After seeing that his baby, being born in such a condition, just he left the hospital immediately and came out to vomit. And his mother even could not hold him until he reached the age of 4 months. So that was the situation. Okay, so in medical terms, it is called phocomelia. In medical terms, it is called phocomelia. So that is a rare occurrence. Of course, his mother was a nurse. She took all precautions, but still she failed. She had to blame herself. Yes. So his father was a computer programmer, and he was an accountant. And when Nick was at 18 months old, 18 months, he put him in water just to make him learn how to swim, to give him courage how to swim. Okay, so when he was 6 years old, his father taught him how to type with his toes. Okay, so his mother, she invented a special plastic device that could meant to hold a pen or pencil. Okay, yes. So that decision, you know, that it was proved the best decision they could have ever made, and with that decision he was able to achieve his degree in financial planning and in financial planning and real estate, and he got a degree in that. Okay, this man. So he's a great lover of English Premier League. He likes English Premier League very much. Okay, yes. So when he was at the age of 8 years, one day, when he was at the age of 8 years, one day he went to his mother crying, "Mother, I wanted to kill myself," because he thought that it was a waste of thing living there without legs and arms. He thought like that, and mother consoled him and convinced him so much. And when he was at the age of 10 years, he tried to commit even suicide also. And luckily that was an unsuccessful attempt. He got out of it by the means of his religion, and his father, mother, they all supported him well. So with that he came out of that depression. Okay, so here some other things also happened in his life. Okay, yes, no problem. So let me continue. So some other things also happened in his life. Okay, so let us see. When he was at the age of 13, he happened to see about a disabled person who had achieved so much, even though he was disabled. And it was a great inspiration to Nick, and now he realized that why God had made him, had sent him to this world, and he wanted to use his life. For the sake of others. Okay, yes. So such was the inspiration that the article had given to him. Yes. He laughs. He looks at the mirror and says, "Okay, the world is right. The world is right. Everyone knows that I don't have arms and legs, but they can't take away my smile." Yes, that is the inspiration that he got from that article. Okay, and here he feels that challenges are there. Just challenges are there to strengthen our life, but not to run us over. Okay, so that is the best thing that he always keeps in mind. So let us continue our class. Stop it.